Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica XS espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because you were having issues with flow and how the machine operated in general. So we had to replace the water pump. This one that you see right here from 2014. Seen on that machine working for this long, and it was time to retire this water pump. We also replaced the brew unit. This one you see right here. Replace it. This is the older one. The new one is inside of it. We also replace the gasket of the mechano valve, deep clean the mechano valve. We clean the grinder as well, and we also check around the machine for any other issues. And yeah, that's all we did. Clean the spouts and descale the machine as well. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing this machine out. And we're gonna be using some hot water and then some steam. Steady stream coming out of the machine, great color. Green quantity as well. Nice shot of espresso. As far as you can see from the machine, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the one, working great. Nice steady steam coming out of the machine. We don't see it that much because it's not that cold. Nice steady steam coming out of the one. Good pressure. Working great. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica XS working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.